Evidence against naturalistic mega-evolution. 1. The scientific data has falsified gradualism. The fossil record shows stasis, no change or minimal change, 90% of the time, followed by sudden appearance of the higher taxa, kingdom, phylum, class, order. Genetics shows huge biofunctional informational chasms that cannot be crossed by functional gradualism. These falsify gradualism and therefore Neo-Darwinism and naturalistic mega-evolution. 2. The key tenets of Neo-Darwinism have been falsified. Scientists quote, "Genomics shattered each of these key tenets of Neo-Darwinism." Dr. Raoult, microbiologist, and Dr. Koonin, molecular biologist. Note, both scientists believe in evolution. However, they confirm that the key tenets of Neo-Darwinism have been falsified. Quote, "Others scientists maintain that the basic tenets of Neo-Darwinism have been falsified in the Popperian sense." Drs. Raoult and Koonin. So, the key tenets of Neo-Darwinism have been falsified. This falsifies naturalistic mega-evolution as well. 3. Fossils show punctuated equilibrium, with naturalistic stasis followed by sudden appearance of most of the higher taxa, order, class, phylum, kingdom. This falsifies gradualism and naturalistic mega-evolution. 4. Population genetics falsifies naturalistic mega-evolution. See the next 3 points. 5. There is not enough time, in the 4.5 billion year history of the Earth, for random chance to create all of the functional sequence nucleotides needed to create all of the orphan genes and proteins needed for the entire biosphere. 6. There is not enough time, in the 4.5 billion year history of the Earth, for natural selection to substitute or fix all of the functional sequence nucleotides needed to create all of the orphan genes and proteins needed for the entire biosphere. 7. For humans to evolve from chimp-human ancestors, we need complex biofunctional information corresponding to at least 3 million functional nucleotides to be created, by random chance, and fixed by natural selection, in the human genome. The geneticist and mathematician J.B.S. Haldane calculated that it would take an average of 300 human generations, 6,000 years, to substitute each new nucleotide genetic change. That means, to substitute 3 million functional nucleotides would take 18 billion years, to just fix the nucleotide changes needed for human evolution from chimp-human ancestor. This is longer than the 14 billion year age of the universe. So this falsifies naturalistic human evolution. 8. Proteins are very isolated in amino acid sequence space. Various studies have shown that only 1 in 10 to the power of 60 amino acid sequences has protein functionality, for a small 90 amino acid protein. And only 1 in 10 to the power of 70 amino acid sequences has protein functionality, for a small 150 amino acid protein. In contrast, the average human protein is about 430 amino acids long, and so significantly more complex than the small 90 to 150 amino acid proteins mentioned above. The universe has material resources for a total of 10 to the power of 120 possible chemical trials. So the universe can find, by random chance, no more than 2 to 3 proteins in the entire history of the universe. If we lower the specificity of the protein to 1 part in 10 to the power of 10, the universe can find no more than about 12 proteins. In contrast, humans have more than 20,000 unique proteins and 100,000 variants. And the biosphere has more than 100,000 unique protein families. So this falsifies naturalistic mega-evolution. Conclusion: all of these items discussed above combine to falsify naturalistic mega-evolution. Intelligent design is a better fit to the data of the biosphere than naturalistic mega-evolution. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.